Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge your rows so that you can have a better view. So I have a sample dump with me in column C, week 1 to week 4, again week 1 to week 4. So basically it is about 3 months data, but I'm not able to figure out which month which week is falling under which month. So to avoid confusion, I'm gonna merge the first 4 weeks into one single cell, drop down, and then merge all. Or else you can click on this merge cells option without clicking on the drop down. Both also works. So I'm gonna write Jan. Now I'll select the second set of dump and click on merge cells, and then I'm gonna enter this as Feb, and then I'll select next set of dump, then click on merge, and then I'll write it as March. Now if you want to add background color also you can add. Okay, now the Jan is you have 4 weeks, and then Feb also have 4 weeks, and then March also has 4 weeks. This is how you can merge the rows and make your data looks good. So we're gonna sort these things. Okay, now it looks cool. I made the text as center, so now it looks cool. So the text color also depends on you how you add. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.